What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I got my new 6-inch exhaust tip put on here, looking pretty fly. People can see it no matter where they are in the road. Nah, but for real, we're gonna put this thing on the right way because I see people literally riding around like this in town, and it looks so freaking stupid. This is the Jamo exhaust tip. It's stainless steel, it's not chrome. I didn't want anything too flashy. You can see the difference between the chrome bumper and the tip, and it's a 18-inch long, 5-inch to 6-inch tip. So I got some clips in here for sound differences, startup differences. All I got to do is take that exhaust piece off back there after I figure out where I want this thing to go, cut it to size, and put this bad boy on here. Let's do it. First things first, slide it up on there all the way to where you want it. Get you a nice little visual. That way you can work it correctly. I think I like it right about there. So what I'm gonna do is mark the back of it back there. Now don't make the mistake and cut it at your mark, because you're gonna wanna compensate for this, because I'm gonna be marking it here. You're gonna wanna compensate for this. And I'm actually gonna give it like another extra inch. That way I have a little wiggle room if I wanna come out just a little bit more. Well, we got her on there. Now for some before and afters. We'll start with some cold starts. Well, guys, that brings this video to a close. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope I got all the desired sound clips you guys wanted. In my opinion, it gave it a little bit deeper of a rumble. Nothing too crazy. You know, I don't have any drone in the cab. It's real quiet in here. You can hear it right now. Even if I get on it a little bit, I mean, I hear the motor over the exhaust. And if you did have a little drone, you could just slide it out a little bit more and get it out from underneath the bed, and that'd help out. But big shout out to Jammo Performance. That's the tip that I was looking for, nobody else had. It's super long, 6-inch, sounds good, good build quality. I'll link it in the description. Very, very well made. So a huge shout out to Jammo Performance. They didn't send that to me or anything, I just bought it. Obviously, I'm no big YouTuber, but maybe one day. Maybe one day. But anyway, thanks for tuning in to Big Country's Way. I'm out.